Welcome to our channel where we explore the exciting world of drones. If you're on the hunt for the best drones in the market, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of aerial technology to help you find the perfect drone for your needs. Whether you're a budding photographer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about drones, we've got you covered. So let's soar into the world of best drones and discover the incredible options waiting for you. First up, we have the DJI FPV Combo with goggles. V2 is an exhilarating leap into the world of first-person view FPV drone flying. This cutting-edge package offers a unique and immersive flying experience like no other. The star of this combo is the DJI FPV drone, a powerful and agile quadcopter designed for high-speed racing and acrobatic maneuvers. With a top speed of 87 miles per hour and a super responsive control system, it's perfect for adrenaline junkies and experienced pilots. The integrated 4K/60fps camera captures stunning footage, and the rock-steady EIS ensures smooth, cinematic results. The goggles V2 is where the magic happens. They provide an immersive, high-definition FPV view, allowing you to see through the eyes of your drone. The ultra-low-latency transmission ensures a real-time experience, making it feel like you're in a cockpit. The goggles are comfortable to wear and adjustable to fit different head sizes. With the DJI FPV Combo, you get not only the drone and goggles, but also a dedicated remote controller and a robust FPV drone accessory kit. Next on our list is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. Is a compact and capable drone package designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With the DJI Mini 3, you can effortlessly capture stunning aerial photos and videos in 4K resolution, all while enjoying the ease of portability and user-friendly features. The DJI Mini 3 is incredibly lightweight, making it a breeze to transport. It boasts a powerful 3-axis gimbal that ensures stable footage, even in windy conditions. The upgraded camera delivers sharp and vibrant images, whether you're shooting landscapes or recording memorable family moments. In the Fly More Combo, you'll find essential accessories that enhance your drone experience. This includes extra batteries for extended flight time, a charging hub, additional propellers, and a carrying case for convenient storage and transportation. The remote controller provides precise and responsive control, and the DJI Fly app offers intelligent shooting modes and tutorials for beginners. With features like quick shots, automatic takeoff, and landing, the DJI Mini 3 simplifies the flying experience. Whether you're a novice looking to explore the world of drones or a seasoned pilot in need of a portable companion, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo offers an exceptional blend of performance, convenience, and value. Moving on to the third is the Ryze Tech Tello, is a compact and affordable drone designed for beginners and those looking for a fun and educational flying experience. Despite its small size, this little drone packs a punch when it comes to features and capabilities. The Tello is equipped with a high-quality camera that can capture 5-megapixel photos and record 720p HD videos. It also comes with features like electronic image stabilization (EIS) to ensure your footage is smooth and clear. You can even perform flips and tricks with ease using the Tello's intuitive controls. One of the standout features of the Tello is its programmability. It's compatible with Scratch, a simple coding platform, which allows users to program the drone for custom flight patterns and maneuvers. This makes the Tello an excellent tool for educational purposes, teaching kids and beginners the basics of coding and drone technology. Despite its compact size, the Tello offers stable flight and responsive controls, making it a joy to fly both indoors and outdoors. It's also equipped with sensors for precise hovering and obstacle detection. Now let's talk about the fourth number, as the DJI Mavic Air 2 is a powerful and feature-packed drone that strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. Whether you're a content creator, an adventure enthusiast, or a professional photographer, this drone has a lot to offer. At the heart of the Mavic Air 2 is a 1/2-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 48-megapixel photos and 4K/60fps videos. The improved quad-Bayer sensor technology ensures excellent image quality in various lighting conditions. The 3-axis gimbal guarantees smooth and steady footage. One of the standout features is Smart Photo, which uses advanced scene analysis to automatically optimize your photos for stunning results. ADR video, hyperlapse, and focus track are just a few of the intelligent shooting modes that elevate your creative possibilities. The Mavic Air 2 also boasts an impressive 34 minutes of flight time and an extended range of up to 10 kilometers thanks to OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology. This means you can capture breathtaking aerial shots from greater distances. The drone's obstacle sensors ensure safe and reliable flight, and the included remote controller provides a responsive, intuitive flying experience. With features like APS 3.0, the Mavic Air 2 can autonomously navigate around obstacles. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a versatile and capable drone that offers an exceptional blend of imaging quality, flight performance, and intelligent features. Whether you're a professional looking to up your aerial photography game or an enthusiast seeking the best, this drone delivers. Last but not least, the DJI Air 2S is a premium drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. With its exceptional camera capabilities, intelligent features, and robust performance, it's a top choice for professional photographers and videographers. At the core of the Air 2S is a 1-inch sensor that can capture stunning 20-megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 30 fps or 4K at 60 fps. The large sensor size and improved image processing deliver outstanding image quality with rich colors and high dynamic range. The drone features a 3-axis gimbal for stable and smooth footage even in challenging conditions. Intelligent shooting modes like Master Shots and Focus Track make it easy to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. The Smart Photo mode optimizes your photos based on the scene for professional-grade results. The Air 2S is equipped with obstacle sensors on all sides, ensuring safe and reliable flight. The upgraded OcuSync 3.0 transmission system provides an impressive range of up to 12 kilometers, so you can explore vast landscapes and capture breathtaking vistas. The included remote controller offers precise control, and the DJI Fly app provides access to a wide range of creative features and tutorials. Whether you're shooting landscapes, architecture, or action scenes, the Air 2S is a versatile tool that delivers exceptional results. Thanks for joining our Best Drones exploration. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Like, share, and subscribe for more drone content. See you in the next video.